In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free shipping pop-up in Mailchimp guide. A well-timed free shipping pop-up can turn casual visitors into customers by removing friction at checkout, and Mailchimp makes it quick to set up. Start by heading to your Mailchimp account and signing in. From your main dashboard, look to the left-hand panel and open the Forms area. This is where Mailchimp keeps on-site sign-up forms and pop-ups, so it's the right place to build a free shipping offer. In the Forms section, move to the top right corner and choose Create Pop-up Form. You'll see different starter options. Pick free shipping to use a layout that's already geared toward highlighting that perk. Click Continue to proceed. Next, browse the available templates. Take a moment here to scan for a design that fits your brand style and the amount of content you plan to show. When you find one you like, select it and click Create Form. That brings you into the editor, where you can customize the pop-up to match your message and look. Begin with the text. Update the headline so it clearly states the benefit, like free shipping on first orders or above a certain threshold. Keep it short, specific, and benefit forward. Use the smaller supporting text to explain any conditions in plain language so there are no surprises later. Adjust your text color to align with your brand and to maintain strong contrast for readability. If your background is light, go with a darker text. If the background is dark, choose a light text color. Consistent colors help visitors recognize your brand quickly. Now refine the call to action. Edit the button label to be direct and action-oriented, such as Shop Now or Get Free Shipping. Make sure the button stands out visually from the rest of the pop-up so it's easy to spot and click. Swap in an image that reinforces your offer, whether it's a product photo, a simple icon, or a branded graphic. Use a clear, high-quality file that loads fast and doesn't distract from the message. If your image has text baked in, confirm it's still legible at smaller sizes. When your copy, colors, button, and image feel right, click Preview to see how everything looks together. Check that the headline is readable, the button is prominent, and the layout feels balanced. If anything looks off, jump back and tweak. Finally, click Save to lock in your work. That's it. Your free shipping pop-up is ready, branded, and clear, so it can do its job of converting